How to copy location from Google Map. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy the location and save it with others. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top at the search bar, search for the location that you want to share or copy. So here I've selected one. So this is the location that I want to copy off. Here you can open it. Now swipe right until you find the option called share. So simply tap on share. Now here you'll be able to see the option like copy to clipboard. So tap on copy to clipboard, or you can even directly send it through other social media platforms and you'll be done. So this creates a link that will be sent to others and they can simply open it through Google Maps and will be able to look at the same place. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.